Good morning. Today is the 8th day of August and this is my second day of work. Hassle na. Kailangan natin magtrabaho. And gusto ko lang i-claim na I am good. I am okay. I'm fine. And everything's okay. Everything's great. And everything will fall on its right places. And the most important one, I am financially stable. I am debt free. Importante yan. Ano pa? Mapera ako, mayaman ako. Hindi ako naghihirap. Ako ay fulfilling. Ako ay masaya.